You'd get murdered for that, wouldn't you?
Okay, so we've got Maxcom 20E here. We'll do the test with the standard replacement mic, and we've had to glue this one together. It's not a set we'll sell because it isn't going to last. Glued, new connector on the back. We've got new power leads. I just haven't refurbished the one that it's got. We make these. We've got the tooling for them, the proper parts. Would help, of course, if I went to channel 31. Why isn't that mic doing anything? Tango 21 test.
21 for Mr. Chippie, now ready?
Yeah, roger on that. I'm all ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger. So plug my extension speaker in.
No, I'm not. The camera won't go. Just stand by.
Roger.
For some reason the Wi-Fi's gone off and it just bear with me.
Yeah, roger, no problem.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger, on this radio there's no tone control. I'm on a factory original microphone. I do like to use a standard replacement mic. The mic I've dug out as the standard replacement mic for some reason isn't wired as I thought it was.
Roger. Not as loud as I would expect.
Right, well I'll make sure I talk into it, and then it may have been a rebuilt microphone and not have the original insert over.
Yeah, Roger, that sounds a little bit better.
Roger.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Service station and it's closed.
Roger on that, and we're late.
We are. It would have been light if we'd have got on with it. We didn't.
Yeah, the things that needed finishing on the set took longer than anticipated.
Roger that.
Is there any light at all out there?
Well, the sky's not dark yet completely, but it's not light enough to be calling it light now. Right, we're passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I've got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford on a Maxcom 20E from 1982 on the factory original microphone. He's doing 3.2 watts over.
Yeah, roger that. I'll receive. No problems.
Roger on that.
Blimey, there's a little tiny deer in the middle of the other carriageway. I wouldn't have seen it and I would have hit it if it was in my lane.
Wow, that might be on the video.
You might see it, yeah. We'll see.
Nearly had fun medicine for dinner tomorrow.
Yeah, he also nearly had a broken bumper.
Roger, I've broken the airbags.
Yeah, quite possibly. Right, we're now going over to level crossing. Over.
What you got you going over Wilsford level crossing?
Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Well, we got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Maxcom 20 from 1982. It's doing 3.2 watts. I'm on the original factory microphone, and it's doing, we're going to go on to low power, which is 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we are back on full power, over.
Yeah, no problems on full power. I had to defeat the squelch as you went to low and it was pretty unreadable.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger on that.
going over Roseby level crossing. Over. Yep, 137.9 and 143.7.
We're roughly where we were this afternoon. Thanks for that.
What?
So thank you very much. That worked a treat, over.
Yeah, okay. 10-10.
210. And 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Roseby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Roseby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yep, 137.9 and 143.7.
Cheaper in Rutland where we were this afternoon. Thanks for that, it worked a treat.
What?
I said thank you very much, that worked a treat, over.
Yep, okay. 10-10.
Thank you, 10-10. Well, obviously he didn't receive me at that end at that point. We'll go to the base station and see what it sounds like on original mic, rebuilt original mic, I don't know.
Tango 21 testing the Maxcom 20E with the what looks like the factory original microphone into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, which is probably on low power. There we're on low power. Just there's a hum test, but there won't be a hum. And there we are back on full power. So I know we've got a Rotel 230. I think we've got a Murphy